This is the Autel Nano Plus, and I've had this in my hands for a little more than 4 weeks now. And I'll tell you right now, it's been sort of a frustrating experience since having this, because when I first got it in my hands, it didn't work all that well, and I wasn't all that impressed with it. However, Autel has issued firmware after firmware and crushed quite a bit of the bugs, and it's functioning as intended as of right now. However, I am still going to be getting rid of the Nano Plus. Well, sort of. Actually, I'm going to be getting rid of 3 Nano Pluses. Because why does any one person need 4 Nano Pluses? Well, you don't. You don't need that many drones. But if you want a chance to win one of these, stick around to find out. Let's get started. What's going on, everybody? Ken here. You're watching OriginaldoBo, and today we get to give away 3 Nano Plus premium combos courtesy of DroneWorks. Now I'm going to tell you how you can win one of these drones in this video, but there's also sort of a twist. It's actually not going to be 3 drones we're giving away. I'm only giving away 2 drones, but one of these will get given away to a viewer. He just doesn't know it yet. So we'll talk more on that here in a moment. But for 2 of these drones, we're going to do the red and white version. And how I'm going to give away these drones is going to be a little bit more unique than others do their giveaways. So what I do is I do a live stream every Wednesday, and it's called Drone Brews. So this Wednesday, I'm going to invite 3 people to come on the live stream with us. It's going to be 3 people. We're going to run it in a game show format. So we're going to run it in game show format, and they're going to have a chance to answer some drone-related questions. I'm not sure exactly how many drone-related questions we'll have, but we'll have enough to be able to fuel the entire sort of game show bit that we're going to do. And at the end, the person who gets the most questions right will win one of these Evo Nano Plus premium combos. The good thing is this is not going to be limited to just the US only. I am going to do this as an international giveaway. So if you want to participate, you need to comment down below telling me why I should select you for the game show. Now I am going to randomly select one person, or I should say 3 people from the comments to be on the show. So you do need to be available Wednesday, February 9th at 9:30 p.m. You do need to have a computer with the webcam and a microphone, because that's how you're going to appear on the show to be able to win this. You do need to be above the age of 16 years old, because most parents can't stand me because I don't know how to use proper English language. So there's that. So tell me why you should be on the show, and you'll have a chance to win that. So that's going to cover one of these. I have one more left, which I'll do a randomized giveaway on, and I'll announce that giveaway in the community section later this week after we auction off one of these. Or it's not even an auction, it's just going to be after we give away one of these, either the red or the white. And I'm going to let the winner of the game show choose whether they want red or white, and then the other one will be randomly giving away. Okay, so that covers 2 of the Autel Nano Plus, but what about the third one here, the orange one? What are we going to be doing with the third one? Well, I received a comment on one of my videos from a viewer that said that he purchased my slick stick mount and he didn't even have the drone. He just bought it to support me. Like he just bought it to just as a way to support the channel, to support me, and to support the cause. And a lot of times when I see stuff like that, I'm like, no, why would they do that? That doesn't make sense. So I went out and I looked at the Etsy store, and I saw that his username matched the purchase, and I have the address and everything for this person through Etsy. So Jose Luna, this Evo is for you. For just because you purchased the slick stick mount and you didn't even have a drone, you need to have a drone to be able to use that mount. So this drone right here is going to be given to you. There's no hidden fees. There's nothing. I'm just going to ship it out to you because I want you to be able to use that slick stick mount with something. And I think that would be just really cool of you to have, because you were cool enough to purchase something from me, even though you didn't have a product to use it with. I think that's absolutely awesome. So that goes to you. And as long as I'm always able to do these giveaways and able to give back, I always will. It's never been about the money for me. I've always told myself if I was ever in the position to do giveaways like this and to have stuff like this, I would always give back to others because I don't care about things. I don't care about money. It's nice to have them, but it's nicer to have the people around me. And I think we have a great community here on this channel. I have probably one of the best audiences in the drone sphere. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. The BREW crew completely rocks, and I can't thank all of you enough. So again, if you want to appear on Drone Brews, be sure to comment down below telling me why I should choose you for the show on Wednesday, February 9th, and we'll have you on there. I'm also going to have a guest panel that are going to be helping me run this game show along with my co-host, Eduardo Nunez. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to like it. And if you don't, because again, there will be always somebody that has a problem with people giving away things. Fuck them. Stay original.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so.